Hurry up, Ronnie!
Something. Hi, everybody.
There's Marisa. You're looking good, Marisa. There's Lila. There's Lila and Marisa. And this is really a pretty nice slope we're on. It's like we've got the whole mountain to ourselves. There's a few people coming down, but for the most part, it's just wide, it's smooth. Lila's looking good.
Tell them how well you did on that last one.
Well, we did a blue. It was Elk Ridge. Is that what it was?
Elk Ridge.
Elk Ridge, and I only fell down one time. Hey.
Hey, and she did great. I was following her, and I was having a hard time keeping up with her.
But we're all safe and sound, ready to go down another blue.
And what are we doing this time? We're doing a Bighorn.
We're doing Bighorn. So.
All the way down to the
base.
Well, no, we're going back down to this lift again. I forget the name of the lift. Thunderwolf lift.
Okay, go girl. Go girl. But say something to
Okay, now, yeah, that's me. All right, what do you want to say? We are on, which one are we on?
Ram Charger.
We're on Ram Charger heading up to meet with Dacus, and we're going to be doing some extreme skiing this afternoon, and we're going to have fun. Sorry y'all can't join us.
It's going to be in the snow and snowmobiles, from what I'm hearing.
Hey, Ronnie.
Hey!
What happened there, Kent? There's my best friend, Dana.
Hey, Mike.
Tell me a little bit about your excitement with Kyle.
He's having a great time.
Tell Kyle, here we come.
Hey, Kyle, we're coming to get you, buddy. Hope you're ready to ski.
Pretty steep mountain. Go, girl. Ah!
Don't get me falling.
You even fall gracefully. Go, girl. Ah!
Don't get me.
Tell him, hey. Hey. You having fun skiing?
I having fun skiing?
No, are you having fun skiing, Goofy? Are ya?
Yeah.
You are? Did you do a bunch of pizza wedges?
Yeah, I did a bunch of wedgies.
Not wedgies. Pizzas.
Ski!
You gotta kind of wedge there. Wedge.
I am wedging.
You're doing good wedging too. All right, stop for a second. Come up.
Good, Dana.
I couldn't help it. He was laughing the whole way.
Y'all are getting it.
Is your camera working now?
Yeah, I got all of it.
Well, go down there and video me. Because
Here's Dacus in the front. Looking good, Dacus. Go, big guy. Good save, Ronnie.
I'd speed up, slow down, speed up.
Good recovery.
Yeah.
Ronnie and Dacus. Go, big guy. Whew. He is fine. Man. Good job.